Hi, I'm Astrid. In this video, I'd like to show you a Jin Shin Jyutsu self-help hold that helps with foot problems. So if you have high arches, or if you have flat feet, or if you have any other foot problems, then this self-help hold will turn those into what we call projects. So from problems into projects, then we can work on things. And it's very simple. All you need to do is cross your arms and place your hands on your elbows, but do so in a specific way. So what you want to do is have your thumb on the crease of your elbow. So the right hand goes on the left elbow and the left hand goes on the right elbow. And we keep the thumb on the crease of the elbow. So place the hands, relax them, and just hold. And you'll feel that not only does this help your feet, but also the whole of the rest of your body, to relax it, to balance it, to calm your mind as well. And it's just wonderful that something so simple can just be so helpful. So I hope you enjoy this exercise, and make sure you look out for the next one. Bye for now.